I am Dr. S. Silvan, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Biochemistry, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. I am going to present the topic double helix structure of DNA, Watson-Crick model, and A, B, and Z forms of DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotide, usually double-stranded, double helix structure. It's found in chromosome, mitochondria, and chloroplast. It acts as a genetic material in most of the organisms. It carries the genetic information. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick described a double helix model. From X-ray diffraction data, James Watson and Francis Crick proposed a model for the structure of DNA in 1953. In 1963, they were awarded a Nobel Prize for this discovery. DNA, a double helix of two complementary antiparallel strands, would surround each other in a rightward direction and stabilized by hydrogen bonding between bases in adjacent strands. The DNA has three main components, namely deoxyribose, nitrogenous base, and phosphate. The nitrogenous bases are purine bases and pyrimidine bases. The purine bases are adenine and guanine. The pyrimidine bases are cytosine and thymine. DNA molecule contain deoxyribose sugar. The sugars found in nucleic acids are pentose sugars. A pentose sugar has 5 carbon atoms. Deoxyribose found in DNA is a modified sugar lacking one oxygen atom. Phosphate group is a phosphorus atom bound to 4 oxygen atoms, but it has many important roles. Along with sugars and bases, it makes up nucleic acids, nucleoside and nucleotide. The nitrogenous base and sugar to form nucleoside. Example, adenine plus ribose to form adenosine, adenine plus deoxyribose to form deoxyadenosine. Base plus sugar plus phosphate to form nucleotide. Examples are deoxyadenosine monophosphate, deoxyadenosine diphosphate, deoxyadenosine triphosphate. The nucleotides are linked together by covalent bonds are called phosphodiester linkage. This figure shows the formation of phosphodiester linkage. Silent features of the DNA double helix structure of DNA. It is made of two polynucleotide chains where the backbone is constituted by sugar phosphate and the bases project inside. The two chains have anti-parallel polarity. It means if one chain has the polarity 5' to 3' and the other has 3' to 5'. The bases in two strands are paired through hydrogen bonds forming base pairs. Adenine forms two hydrogen bonds with thymine from opposite strand and vice versa. Guanine is bonded with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. Based on the observation of Erwin Cherkov that for a double-stranded DNA, the ratios between adenine and thymine and guanine and cytosine are constant and equals 1. The Cherkov's rule, the compelling observation was that percentage of adenine equal to percentage of thymine, percentage of cytosine equal to percentage of. The two strands are coiled in a right-handed fashion like clockwise direction. The pitch of the helix is 3.4 nanometer and there are roughly 10 base pairs in each turn. Consequently, the distance between a base pairs in a helix is approximately equal to 0.34 nanometer. The plan of one base pair stacks over the other in double helix. This, in addition to hydrogen bonds, confers stability of the helical structure. This figure shows the complementary base pairing, the sugar phosphate backbones of DNA, and the complementary base pairs joined by hydrogen bonding, and the antiparallel strands, the 5' to 3' polarities lie in opposite direction. There are two asymmetrical grooves on the outside of the helix, major groove and minor groove. The groove are slight depression in the smoothness of the surface or channel on a bodily structure or part. These are certain proteins can bind within this groove. They can thus interact with a particular sequence of. The next topic we will discuss about A, B and Z forms of DNA. There are three major forms of DNA, namely bDNA, aDNA and zDNA. First, we will discuss about bDNA. bDNA is biologically the most common DNA. It is a helix, meaning that is as a right-handed or clockwise spiral. It is complementary base pairing with adenine to thymine and guanine to cytosine. This ideal bDNA has 10 base pairs per turn. So, each base is twisted 36 relative to adjacent bases. The base pairs are 0.34 nanometer apart. So, complete rotation of molecule is 3.4 nanometer. Axis passes through middle of each. Minor groove is narrow and shallow. Major groove is wide and deep. The structure exists when plenty of water surrounds molecule and there is no unusual base sequence in DNA, a condition that are likely to be present in the cells. bDNA structure is most stable configuration for a random sequence of nucleotides under physiological conditions. aDNA is a right-handed helix, wider and flatter than bDNA. 11 base pairs per turn. Its bases are tilted away from main axis of molecule. Narrow deep major groove and broad shallow minor groove. Observed when less water is present, that dehydrating condition. aDNA has been observed in two contexts: active site of DNA polymerase, another one gram positive bacteria undergoing. Next, the zDNA. zDNA is a left-handed helix seen in condition of high salt concentration. In this form of sugar phosphate backbones zigzag back and forth, giving rise to the name zDNA. 12 base pairs per turn, a deep minor groove, no visible major groove, part of some active genes of zDNA may play a role in regulating gene transcription. The table shows the comparison of the different forms of DNA, namely bDNA, aDNA and zDNA. The comparison, the properties are the type of strand, type of helix, overall shape, base pair per turn, distance between adjacent bases, pitch or turn of helix, helical diameter, and inclination of base pairs to axis, major groove and minor. Thank you.